To use Chase Zelle, you need to have a Chase checking account and be over 18 years old. This ensures you're an eligible Chase customer with access to the service. The recipient also needs a U.S. bank account, but they don't necessarily need to be a Chase customer. Zelle works across participating banks nationwide. If the recipient is not enrolled in Zelle through their bank, they will receive a link to claim the money. This link allows them to access the funds through their own bank's app or website. To send money via Chase Zelle, you'll need the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile phone number. In the Zelle section of the Chase app, choose to add a new contact. Enter the recipient's information. If they aren't enrolled with Zelle, they'll receive a notification on how to claim the payment, usually through their own banking app. This process connects directly through banking networks for secure transfers. Select the recipient you want to pay from your contacts list. Then enter the amount you wish to send. For personal use, Chase generally has a limit of around $2,500 per transfer, although this can vary. Add a short memo describing the payment for your record keeping. Finally, choose if you want to send the money instantly or with standard transfer if the instant option is available. After sending the money, you can track the transaction status in the Chase app. You'll also receive an email confirmation for your records. Keep in mind that Zelle transfers are generally irreversible, so double-check the recipient's information before sending. Always be cautious when using Zelle. Verify the recipient's identity before sending money to avoid scams. Be wary of fake requests or emails. Zelle is designed for sending money to people you know and trust, not for purchasing goods from strangers or for international transactions. Also, be aware of data privacy and data breaches, as they can target Zelle users. Use biometric security when available for enhanced safety.